At Barnett Plumbing and Water Heaters, we install highly efficient heat pump water heaters as a way to save customers money and provide a greener option to natural gas. These heat pump water heaters work by taking in the surrounding air, extracting the heat out of that air, and then using that heat to heat the water. To do this, the incoming air travels through a filter, which will need to be cleaned from time to time. This video will cover how to clean the filters on both the Bradford White AeroTherm as well as the Rheem ProTerra models. It's best practice to make sure that the heat pump won't turn on while the filter is removed, so we recommend briefly switching the unit into vacation mode while the cleaning is being conducted. On both units, this can easily be done by toggling the mode button on the control panel until it says vacation. Please remember to return your heat pump water heater to the mode it was in when the filter cleaning is complete. The Bradford White AeroTherm filter is horizontal on top of the unit, and it can be removed by pinching these clips and lifting up. To put it back in place, simply set it on top of the unit with the clips lined up with the slots and press down. The Rheem ProTerra filter is vertical and slides inside the top of the unit. Pull the filter up and remove it completely from the unit by holding the sides and working it out the top. The filter is flexible and can be bent if the water heater is in a tight spot. Once removed, the filter can be cleaned with compressed air or even mild soap and water. If water is used, be sure to let the filter completely dry before reinstallation, as this will help prevent any false error codes due to moisture leaking into the heat pump components. A filter cleaning should be completed as often as the heat pump water heater prompts you to. With every install being in its own unique environment, how often this prompt is displayed depends on how much dust, dryer lint, and other debris might be near the water heater and in its air supply. Both of these units have apps that will send notifications when it is time to clean the filter, and the Bradford White AeroTherm also has a button on the control panel that will light up when it is time. Be sure to hold the button to reset the alarm after cleaning the filter. Alright, that should do it for now for how to clean the filter on your heat pump water heater. As always, please feel free to give our office a call if you need assistance or have any questions with this. Thanks again for trusting Barnett Plumbing and Water Heaters with all your plumbing and hot water needs.